Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a new journal in Journal app very easily. Just open the app and click on Create. Here you can find Create a new journal, and then you can give it a name like Plan 1 for me, and then you can choose the color of the cover, or you can also browse different styles and choose one that you like. Click on save, and after that you can even choose uh, what kind of papers you would like to have inside, like this dotted or lined. You can choose the color of the pages too, and select whether you would like it to look like a book, and you can choose a custom background too. If you are ready, click on create new page, and here is your journal. Good luck with it and have a nice day.